Hello, how are you? Where are you from?
We are from Kenya.
Oh, I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
MashaAllah. Very good people there.
Yes. Also, me before working in the people Kenya.
Yes, you work with people,
From
Kenyan people.
Ghaffar for Redwan, from
Uh-huh.
Kenya for Nigeria.
Nice.
Yes,
So
but good person.
MashaAllah.
Is very good heart.
MashaAllah. That's good. So I'm not the first Kenyan you meet.
Yes.
You met
That's nice to
several
meet
other
you.
Kenyans.
Inshallah. After
It's good.
I will have more money. Inshallah, I will visit for Kenya.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
You're very much welcome to come and visit our country.
Of course.
What's your name?
Definitely. My name is Muhammad Shuhag.
Muhammad Shuhal. So my friend Muhammad Shuhal is here, very friendly, just like any other person that you meet in Madina. Very welcoming, just happy faces. And he has a very good information to tell people about this country, about how people are, and other things that you can actually enjoy in this city. So just explain this one, please. So this stone that you're seeing here, it's being grounded to powder form to be like this, and then brother here is explaining the next step.
Yeah, this powder you put inside. After if you want to use, you can like that. After you can use same like
As
that.
an eyeliner.
Yeah, same like eyeliner. But this name, this from Pakistan, in the Bangladesh, in the India, talking surma.
Surma.
Plus Arabic, this called kohal.
Nice. Very well explained. I didn't know about it, but this
also
makes
kohal.
sense to me.
No, this one.
Yeah.
This one hot. Maybe you have ice. You have allergy.
Yeah.
Inside have in the no cleaning. In the came water, and this one using after closing this water, and you can see its power good. Yes, this hot.
So if you have
same-
allergies, you can use this one.
Yes, this one also have. This one cool, hot and
Hot
cool.
and cool.
Yes.
So you apply during the hot weather.
If you need maybe if you have allergy, you can use in the hot. But you no have allergy, you can use the cool. But
Cool.
similar.
And the same brand. So the
Yes,
other
same
one
brand,
is just.
same quality, but hot and cool.
I get it. Nice.
This one also in the ready.
لو سمحت
Ah, same. Like one in Haram.
ايوه نفس اللي في الحرم.
Same.
الروضه سجادة الروضه مدى هذه 4 ملي وهذه 8 ملي هذا 55
Can you open that one, please?
هذا 8 ملي
Ah. Nice, mashallah.
نفس
Haram. Same.
ايوه نفس المصنع سعره طيب مره وهذا حي نفس
Yeah. Small sizes and then the big sizes. So this one looks exactly like the one in Masjid an-Nabawi. So it looks exactly like this, and he's just showing us how it looks, and you can probably come and get it. Islamic and beautiful. Thinking, yeah, you can check this and find it somewhere there. I think I'll get one of these. Inshallah. Then you have more of them here. More and more of them are here. You have just toiletries, more daily use stuff, necklaces behind me here, toys for the kids, more toys for the kids, makeup kits, more toys for the kids, and we have a friend here who's trying something, some oud. Just smelling it, it smells very nice. Yeah. Amazing. More perfumes and deodorants. Okay. So and we have our friend here. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Thank you so much. So he gave us business cards, and it has a direction to where this store is. You can be able to come check this amazing place. They have almost everything you need once you come over here that you can use on your daily activities. Also, we have other things. We have nice ornamental stuff here. Gold. That
It's not gold.
okay, not gold, but it looks gold.
Look like.
Yeah. So this is amazing, beautiful rings you can use. Sunglasses. Yeah, it's hot, so you have to protect your. You need to have that eyewear, the protective glasses like these ones. Kids bangles, nice shoes that you can use, very light, fluffy, that you can be able to walk really without an issue. Yeah. And it's amazing. You have seats that you can use for all people who, when you go to the mosque and you want to pray and you want to not have any issues, you can use the seats here, sit on them and then use it. Yeah, so we have these caps. They are, of course, they are printed. The designs are Oman, different types. This one looks nice, very unique, very unique. Okay, so I'm being called to go and see something. Let me check. Oh man, mashallah, mashallah.
60 riyal.
Mashallah. 65 riyals. This one shows the two harams. So we have Makkah al-Mukarram and then Madina, Masjid, an-Nabawi. So we have those two ornamental stuff. Nice. Is it magnetic?
Magnetic, yes.
Nice. Mashallah.
Different designs.
Yeah, I already took those photos, but I'll take it again just so people can see it closer. You can have those different sizes, different designs. It's good to have them and put it in your office, put it in your home. They are nice decorative souvenirs. You see, very beautiful, very beautiful. Mashallah, mashallah. So it's 65? Yes.
But we made discount for my friend to 55.
55. Mine, I already have small one.